trees where cold shadows grow. A haunting tune that softly calls, like distant memories down frozen halls. Oh, the little winds, they carry me home to a place where I'm never alone. With every breath of that chilly air, I find your voice like it's always there. Paints pictures on window panes white, silver lace in the pale morning light. Footsteps crunch on an empty street, echoes of a time when hearts would meet. Back to you.